like you've been a bad
Here
friend.
comes the elevator at the MartParc on Wells and Kinsey in Chicago, Illinois. Looks like we've got some MontgomeryKONEs. Oh, look at this. Here's a blue Gentex Commander 1. Can't tell if that's Commander 1 or 2. I don't know. Ooh, and a Spectrular L series. Haven't seen many of these. Huh. All right, let's head up, why don't we? Hi, big brother. Ew, it's got innovation security. Looks like it's this one. I'm sorry. Here it is. Let's get a view of the cab. Oh, we are going somewhere. Let's look at the indicator first, why don't we? We're stopping at 3. It's got a scrolling arrow. Okay. Oh. Okay, maybe it just parked. Alright. Well, let's get a view of the cab here. It's MontgomeryKONE. Sorry, I don't mean to be very shaky. There's your COP, innovation security. And there's the lovely view. Alright, let's head up to 7. Ooh, shaky. Interesting. It's interesting how these are laid out. There's the lantern. Let's ring it for down. I don't know. Oh, okay. Don't. Yeah, that's fine. Oh, okay. It really wants to close. Kone door equipment. All right. Let's watch the view. All right, let's go up one more time, why don't we? Got the scrolling arrow. And, oh my God, is that announcement going to play over and over again? Oh my God, this is a pay-on fun parking facility. Yes, I am well aware. Oh my God. MontgomeryKONE key switch. And I saw, holy shit, it's a garage with a TV. This is a fancy garage, actually. Yeah, it's got a glass desk. Huh. It's pretty nice. Alright, that will be it.